Welcome to my channel. Wavlink extender blinking yellow light. 1. Check power supply. Ensure the extender is properly plugged in and receiving power. Try a different outlet if needed. 2. Reboot the extender. Unplug the extender, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in to reset minor glitches. 3. Check router connection. The yellow blinking light often indicates weak or no connection to the router. Move the extender closer to the router. 4. Ensure correct placement. Place the extender halfway between the router and the weak signal area for optimal performance. 5. Reconnect to the extender's Wi-Fi. Use a mobile device or laptop to connect to the extender's default network, e.g., Wavlink XXX. Six. Access the web interface. Open a browser and enter 192.168.10.1 in the address bar. Login with admin/admin, default credentials. 7. Reconfigure the extender. Select your main Wi-Fi network and enter the correct password to re-establish a connection. 8. Update firmware. Check for any firmware updates in the extender settings menu and install them if available. 9. Perform a factory reset. If the issue persists, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the extender restarts. 10. Test and monitor. Once reset and reconnected, check if the yellow blinking light stops. Thank you for watching.